Hi, have you ever wondered how to give furniture a used look or how to make this shabby chic finish? In this video I will show you, just with a piece of soap. My name is Heiko, welcome to the channel. Alright, this is our workpiece. We have this old frame made from construction wood, and as you can see the whole surface wasn't very good, so I have to use wood filler. Alright, what I'm doing here now is I apply my first coat. I want to have this as a base color, so if another layer of color that is up there afterwards getting worn out, this should be the color that shines through. So this will be our base color we're going through. If you ask yourself what kind of color this is vinegar with steel wool. So yeah, this is how my mixture looks like. Pretty cool, I think. And even this wood filler here, as this won't take the color the same way as the wood does, yeah, looks kind of cool. We go through that and yeah, give it the base color. Alright, now it seems a little bit awkward what we're doing next, but we take a normal piece of soap and we rub it against the corners. This is where we want to have the color removed afterwards, as these are the parts the wood gets mostly touched, so the corners are the first that are worn out. Yeah, let's do it. We just push it on it, soap it in, but don't take a wet soap. You have to really have a dry piece of soap. Any soap will do, no special brand except coconut flavor, that's evil. Alright, now the paint is still wet, so you can just remove parts with the towel beforehand sanding, like this. If you apply more pressure wherever your soap was, you remove it more. Alright, this is what we have now after using the soap technique. We have two layers, they are clearly visible and easy to separate from each other. So if you like adding more layers, you can do that just by repeating the steps. But with one precondition, the last layer of paint has to be completely dry. Otherwise you're mixing the colors. Yeah, if you have any other questions to that project, let me know. If you want me to show something in more detail, post a comment below, I will return. I wish you a lot of fun with your next project and I hope I see you soon. Happy crafting!